Okay, welcome back and thank you for doing the surveying for us. I'm going to share with you the survey result quickly. We have around 45% of our users today are using Android, including me. And we have around 20% of our users today using iOS. The rest 40% are using either Windows or Windows Mobile. And we have a little bit like 5% of users, I guess they are using Windows Phone or other Mango system. Yeah. So if you are using Android, the good news is that SuperSurv also has an Android edition, which has the exact functions with the iOS version. And to be honest, iOS is a little bit exclusive for programmers, and Android is more open for developing. So actually, all of the function will be performed and or develop faster a little bit in the Android edition. But our ultimate goal is to make the two editions has the same functions and have the same experience for our users. So again, we welcome you to go to the App Store now or the Google Play to download the free trial version of SuperSurv and experience with us. Alright, now let's welcome Danny again. We're going to have the second part of our demonstration and presentation.
Okay, welcome back everyone. This is our second part of the live demonstration, which I'm going to show you how to do a precise survey with the SuperSurv anytime and anywhere. It is very critical to use your mobile device, that when you're out on the field and you want to perform a quick survey. So I'm going to make this scenario as we want to perform a live survey just in front of our office in the southern part of the Taiwan, which is in Kaohsiung. And we're going to survey with the SuperSurv very quickly. And so to perform a quick survey out on the field, if you don't have any other layer or the data prepared, you can just simply build on a new project with the online-based map supported. It is a ready-to-go anytime, anywhere function, which you can just make sure your mobile device has been connected onto the internet. So we support the OpenStreetMap as the 4 different kinds of OpenStreetMap as your base map. And the fieldwork will be also saved in the web Mercator coordinate systems, including all the layers you built. And so if you want to transform or to change it into a different coordinate system, you can using our desktop environment to change it when you head back into the office. And in this part, we're also going to show you another tool, which is the Spatial guiding tools. It is the way to find your destination in the SuperSurv, and it is called the waypoint system. The waypoint system is very easy to use, and you can simply just manually tap on the screen, or to add by the GPS, or to import the waypoints from the file. And it has varieties of a different function, which I'm going to show you in the following demonstration. And in this part, it has in our spatial guiding system, it has a very another convenient and advanced tool, which is the activated augmented reality within your camera. The waypoint within 1,000 meters, which is a kilometer from your position, will be show up as a tag, allow you to vividly observe all the points of your interest, which you can see now as a little screenshot I have been taken. And the third part we're going to show you is how to record your track log, which is a very useful function within the SuperSurv. And all the track log will be saved as a KML format and a line layer format, which is a shapefile, within the track log folder within your project. So you can simply just go out and record all the track log of your survey and head back to the office and put it into the desktop, into your computer. So I'm going to perform a demonstration, which it is also a little video. I have taken this video out on the field of our southern part, our southern office. Now you can see the video has been activated. So please just bear with me for a little time. In this part hasn't been any cut. So maybe you will see that I'm taking out my iPhone with me. In this part, I'm taking this video just out on the field, and just simply take my my camera with me, and just simply check the video. Sorry, maybe I have to open that up again. Okay, so you can see that, I have to open the video again. And when you're out on the field, it is very useful you can simply just build a project with you that allows you to select the OpenStreetMap project with you. It's a little late with the video. Okay. And when you're just out on the field, you can simply just take out your mobile device whatever you want. Like in this case, I'm really wandering the area of our front yard, which I'm going to find out the area. So now you can see the screen that I'm taking my iPhone with me. So this is our front yard of our Kaohsiung office, which is in the Kaohsiung Software Industrial Park. So it's the basic thing is we opened up the SuperSurv, and you will find it will be a blank, because we haven't prepared any of the layer or the base map. So you can simply just tap on the main function button, tap on it, and select the new project. And in this part, we will going to select the online map project. The online map project allows you to use the OpenStreetMap as the base map. So now you can see I select the online map project, online map. You can see very clearly on the menu here. So you can simply select it and enter a name. Also you have to enter the project name. Like in this part, I'm entering the field survey. Yeah, I'm entering the field survey. And you can also see the special reference will be default as the web Mercator. Due to the limitation of the OpenStreetMap, so the the coordinate system will have to be the map web Mercator. And all the data within this format, within this project, will be also saved as this format. So if you want to change it, you can just put the data back to Office and change it with the desktop environment. And also, if you tap on the map type, you will find out that there will be 4 different OpenStreetMap supported, which is standard, satellite, cycle map, and the transport. Which is here. We're going to use the standard one and select create. And after that, you will see that if your mobile device has been connected onto the internet, you will find out that OpenStreetMap has already been the base map on your screen. And because I'm taking the video with myself, so you can see that I'm zooming a bit with just with my one hand.
Yes, by the way, Kaohsiung is the second biggest city in Taiwan, and it's based on the south part of our country. So you can see that the weather is always sunny now, like in Taipei, it's always rainy.
Yeah. Okay, so Kaohsiung is very hot. It's probably approximately 36 to 37 degrees Celsius within the summer. So now you can see that I am actually just out on the field. In front of our office in the Software Industrial Park. So the GPS signal also indicate where I am. So now you can see on the screen that I am just beside the road. So the first function we're going to demonstrate is to open up the track log system, which is very convenient that you want to collect all the track log with you. So you can simply just tap on the track log, which is on the right hand side, the bottom toolkit. You can simply tap on it, and if you tap on it, you can see 2 different options which allow you to record and also allow you to open up some of the track log that existed. So now I'm going to open up the track log toolbar. So now you will see on the upper, you will see a little REC red button. You can see now a little REC red button. So if you want to start to collect all the track log, you can simply just tap on that red button, which is very easy to use, like using the radio or something. So it is very easy to use, and so now all the track log will be collected till you stop the function. Now we're also going to build up a layer for this survey, which is going to be a polygon, because I want to find out the area of our front yard. So you can simply just tap on the survey button and select grid layer and tap on it. You can see that this time I'm going to enter a name and a title, and also I'm going to select it as the polygon layer. So now you can see me with my iPhone. I'm entering all the options. And the code page, it is also very critical if you're using different languages. Like I'm using the UTF-8 this time, and also using the shapefile format. You can see me select the shapefile format, and you can see all the different options of the code page. So today I'm going to use the UTF-8. You can see me. Okay, so we can select the create button and entering the customize table. And because this will be a very quick survey, so some of the default attribute will not be needed. So you can simply just enter edit mode and delete some of the attribute. Like I don't need the photo. I'm not going to take photo with me. And also I'm not going to use the name and the memo. It won't be needed. It just has to be very quick and simple. So if you finish it, you can just head back to the map, and you will find out that the edit mode will be activated. Also, if you need some of the different different attribute you want to edit, you can simply just tap on the little blue cross sign, and you can edit some of the attribute. So now you can see that I have already entered the editing mode. So I can see I'm just out on the field. And before I'm going to collect the data of our front yard, because I'm going to collect the polygon by the GPS. So I'm going to tune a bit of the edit setting, which the time interval of the different vertex is default is the 30 seconds. So now you can see me reduce it into 1 second. And if you finish it, you can save it. So now we're quite ready for our field survey. And to start the survey via GPS automatically, you can simply tap on the little tools on the lower part of your screen, which little icon. You can select it, and it will indicate you that if you really want to collect the data via the GPS, so you can just check OK. So it will be started. So if you start it, you can see me now. I'm going to walk through the whole field of our building. So because to the time, I'm going to move forward a bit. So maybe you can see on my screen that the polygon has already been collected. Because we're very close to the building, so you can see the polygon is a bit of strange due to the GPS signal. And if you're out on the outer field, like you're in a rural area or some of the forest area, it won't be happen because it's the GPS signals.
Danny, are you running or just walking? Why is shaking so heavily?
Oh, I'm sorry about the shaking of the screen, because I'm taking my iPad to take a video with my iPhone. So I'm really walking. Yeah.
Okay. So
sorry
you're
for
very, iOS fan.
yeah, you can say that. So now you can see that the survey is finished. So if you want to finish, you can simply just tap on the same button again to turn it off. And after you turn it off, you can tap on the OK button to finish the edit, which will automatically call up the attribute table. Now you can see I'm pressing the OK button. And now you can enter all the attribute like ID here. And you can see that the area has automatically been calculated. SuperSurv is very smart. It will automatically collect the area, which is going to be in the meters. And so now you can see that the polygon has been collected. And if you want to leave it, you can simply just only tap on the leave icon to leave the edit mode. Okay, now you can see that the screen, on the main screen, the polygon has been collected. And also in this part, I'm going to stop the track lock, which you can simply just, first you have to pause it and stop it. So you can simply see I'm tapping on the different icon to stop it. And after you stop it, the track log will be saved in the track log folder within your project. So you can simply call it back every time you want, anytime you want, by simply collect the reference function. You can simply turn on all the reference track. Now you can see there's a shapefile format. And if you need the KML format, you can simply use your computer to export the data. So now you can see on my screen, the track log will be shown as the little purple line. And also you can just turn it off if you want. Now in the final part, we're going to talk about how to use the waypoint system. The waypoint system is a very convenient tool if you want to find some specific place out on the field. It is very precise and easy to use. So you can see me with my GPS turned on, so you can see I'm just in front of the building. And to use the waypoint system, you can simply just long tap on the screen. Long tap on the screen to create a waypoint, which you can see there's a Kaohsiung International Exhibit Center just in front of me, a very strange building. And so I'm just going to long tap on the screen, and you can see a waypoint. I will ask you if you want to build at a waypoint. You can simply tap it and enter in the name. Also, the X and the Y coordinate can be selected between the WGS84 or the map Mercator. So you can see me, I'm entering the name just as an EX to indicate the exhibition center. And also, because I'm on the field, I'm very thirsty, and there's a 7-Eleven just below our building. So you can see I'm moving the map a bit and tap on the position of the vendor, which is the 7-Eleven, to add a waypoint to indicate where the distance and the direction of the shop. So you can see I have built the second waypoint with me. And because our office is very near the seashore, so you can see now I'm building the third waypoint, which I'm going to name it at the sea. So it will indicate me and the distance between me and the seashore. Now you can see that I have already finished it. So there are 3 waypoints on the screen, which you can move around a bit. And if you want to pan to some of the different waypoints, there we provide you the tools. Just if you tap on the waypoint tools, it will have 5 different options. And we allowed you to pan to some of the specific, like if your waypoint is very far, and so you can pan to the different waypoint and to switch between each of them. So now you can see I'm opening up the pan tool and select the 7-Eleven. You can see me. Now I'm just tap on it and select OK. So if you use the pen tool, it will also automatically move that waypoint in the center of your screen. That you can see now the 7 has been placed in the center of my screen of my mobile device. And also we allowed you to set up the guiding tool. It will indicate your distance and the direction by a little orange line. So in the upper part of your screen, it will indicate you the distance, which you can now see between me and the seashore is 184 meters. So it is very useful. And if you want to find the exact direction, you can also simply tap on the electronic compass function we provide. You can simply just tap on the little blue arrow. It will automate to open up the electronic compass. And the final part we're going to talk about is the augmented reality, which is very useful. And we're going to tell you how to use it by just simply tap on the tool, and it will automatically open up the camera, which now you can see I'm just open up the AR. The AR is a very advanced tool if you're out on the field and you want to find the direction, and with ease you can use this tool. It will automatically open up your camera with you and some of the very indicating tools. So now you can see on the screen there will be a little radar on the lower part of the screen, and it will show the waypoint within 1,000 meters. And if you move around a bit, you can see that all the text of the different waypoint, it will indicate the direction, and it will also indicate that the distance between you and the different waypoint. Also, it will show the exact location, the X and the Y coordinate within your screen. You can simply see it. And so if you move around a bit, it is very convenient and useful tool. If you want to find some of the specific spot or the sample place, you can use this tool, and with ease. It is very easy to use.